Good morning, everyone. I wanted to show you what I've been doing since the last video. And as you can see, I repotted an awful lot of my seed starts. And just to show you, I have iceberg lettuce here, Lucky Tiger tomatoes there. Those are onions. And we had spoken about this. This is the calendula, waiting for all of that to come up. Solar flare lettuce, kale, the dwarf Siberian version of that, cosmos, which are flowers, Dr. Wickie's yellow tomatoes, which are going to be large slicers, and then behind there is some Swiss chard and price head lettuce. We have iceberg lettuce, butter crunch lettuce, dragon tongue bush beans. I'm waiting for those to come up. Black beauty tomatoes and kohlrabi, and I need to water that one a little bit better. And again, I'm showing you progress. So without going into every one, I have a lot of tags on each pot. And actually, I wanted to show you this as well because it's showing 88 degrees, 87 degrees. I literally had to come in here and open up the greenhouse because it was registering 103. So I came in here to take care of that. So you can see that I have an awful lot growing here. And it's an experiment because I've never worked with a greenhouse. As you can see, I opened up the vent. I have my green man over there. And there's more that I will be repotting and work. Yesterday, what my husband and I did was actually to clean up the deck. And what I mean cleaning up the deck is all those little pots, like, hey, I bought a little plant here, and here I bought a little plant there. What I did was I took a 5-gallon bucket and dumped all that soil. They're small, so I'm using those pots now as a pot up tool, if you know what I mean. So I saved all of those, and I put all of the soil in a 5-gallon bucket, and I took out the, any old plants that may have been in there, added some worm castings and some fertilizer that I had, and I'm just going to let it sit. I'm refreshing the soil so that I can use again when the time comes that I can start putting stuff out there. So again, it's an experiment. I've never worked in a greenhouse before, and as you can see, it's really doing well on it. If there's any lesson here is I have a thermometer. I'm able to see what the temperature is out here using a smart app, and I'm able to monitor what is going on out here. So rule number one, monitor your plants that are in your greenhouse. What you are hearing is also my heater slash fan. So I shut off the heater part of it, and now I have the fan blowing right on my seedlings because, just in case you didn't know, the seedlings need to have ventilation. They need to have a little bit of wind on them to help strengthen them up. So until next time, many blessings. And if you like this, please hit the button and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Mwah. Bye-bye.